Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I'm Jumari Lardino. I'm the IT02 3A. My topic is all about working and walking surfaces, including fall protection. Walking and working surfaces are a critical part of workplace safety. Improper maintenance or lack of fall protection of these surfaces can lead to serious injury or fatalities. Employers are required to comply with standards of regulation to minimize this hazard. Below is an overview of key considerations and requirements. Walking and working surfaces. Definition: surfaces employees walk or work on such as floors, stairs, ladders, roof, and elevated platforms. Common hazard: slippery surface, uneven surfaces or clutter, unprotected edges or holes, poorly maintained or damaged surface. General requirements: surfaces must be kept clean, orderly, and dry. Flooring should be slip resistant where needed. Adequate lighting should be provided to prevent tripping or slipping hazards. Fall protection. When required, fall protection is generally required when working as high of 4 feet in general industry. 6 feet is construction or any high over dangerous equipment on hazard. Types of fall protection. 1. Guardrails, a physical barrier installed along edges or openings. 2. Safety nets, used to catch falling workers or materials in a certain environments. 3. Personal fall arrest system, includes a body harness, lanyards, and anchor point to arrest a fall. 4. Fall resistance restraint system, prevent workers from reaching fall hazard. 5. Warning line system, used in a roofing and certain low-rest application. Key of OSHA standards. General industry. 1. Support working surface. 2. Cover surface and maintenance, ladder, safety and fall protection. Construction industry. Subpart fall protection. 2. Including details fall protection requirements for specific activities. Employer responsibilities. Conduct hazards assessment for walking and working surfaces. Provide appropriate fall protection system and training. Regularly inspect and maintain surface and fall protection equipment. Develop and enforce workplace safety policies. Employee best practice. Wear appropriate footwear to prevent slips and trips. Use provided fall protection equipment correctly. Report hazard like spills, damages, or missing guardrails immediately. Follow training and safety procedures consistently. Thank you.